In this video, I will show you how to change your Telegram phone number. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Telegram app. Go ahead and click on settings. Go ahead and click on accounts. Go ahead and click on here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on change number. Then here you go. Change number. User will see your new number if they have it in their contact, if they have it in their address book, or your primary privacy setting allow them to see it. You can modify this setting, privacy and security and phone number as the case may be. Go ahead and click on change right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply enter your new mobile number right here. Choose your country code, or country is going to be by default. Then enter your phone number right here, then proceed. An SMS verification code will be sent to you to confirm the new number. Once you confirm the new number with SMS code, then you are done. Your Telegram number will be changed successfully without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Telegram topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.